friends, welcome back to my channel Learning and Motivation. This is our 5th lecture of Excel, and in this video we will be going to learn about conditional formatting, which is in the style group. If you can see here, conditional formatting features, and in conditional formatting we will be going to learn about highlight cell rules, top bottom rules, and clear rules. This is majorly the part 1 of conditional formatting, as there are few features further in conditional formatting. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Along with that, click on the notification button so you can get the notification of all of my videos. I have prepared this chart for conditional formatting so that I can show you step by step how we can highlight the range if you want to select any range, the number of days, or how can we select the duplicate days, highlight it, and the dates. So let's get started. First, we will discuss what is conditional formatting. Normal formatting is just applying a formatting without any criteria or prerequisite, whereas conditional formatting is you have some criteria or you have some condition based on which you are putting some formatting. Let's see how it is. I have designed a chart purposely to apply conditional formatting, where you can see a list of numbers, some text, as I have mentioned, the heading, base, and the dates. Now let's suppose I have to highlight these numbers based on any criteria. Let's say I have to select these numbers which are above 50 or greater than 50. So what will I do? First, I will select these complete cells, these 10 numbers, 10 rows, and go into the Home tab, and in the Home tab you will see conditional formatting. Clicking on conditional formatting, you will see highlight cell rules and click on greater than button. A dialog box will appear. Now you know that our selected criteria was greater than 50. So here we will change the number to 50. And with what color you want to highlight it, if you see this drop down, there are numerous lists mentioned that if you want to make it with red highlighted text, with yellow highlighted text, with green highlighted text, with light red, or just red with red border only, or if you want some different things to appear on it, you can go to custom format. Well, let's stay in here only and select it as with red, light red filled with dark red text. So it's light red highlighted and the text written is dark red. So we will select this and place OK button. If you can see, the numbers which are greater than 50 are highlighted and which are less than 50 are not highlighted. So we have set a criteria over here. Let's suppose if I change this number to 75 and I will remove the cell, it is automatically highlighted. Why? Because we have selected the range for this complete list and selected it as which number will be greater than 50, it will be highlighted automatically. Let's suppose if I select this number and make it less than 50, let's suppose it is 45, and I will remove the cell. Here you go. You can see that this particular cell, which I have made less than 50, has been removed with the highlighted. That is, it is out of the criteria of the above 50 numbers. So this is how you can set your criteria and highlight the numbers for your particular selected range. Now what if you want to clear all the formatting? Simply we will be selecting all of this or just this thing, as we have done formatting in this section only. Going to conditional formatting and click on clear rules. This drop down will appear and will show two options: clear rules from selected cells and clear rules from entire sheet. Well, you can select any one. If we select clear rules for selected cells, so we have already selected a range. We will click on it and you can see all of the formatting is clear now. Now let's suppose if we want another option let's say we select all of this range, go to conditional formatting, go to highlight cells rules and select less than. So what we will do, we will select simply again the range 50 and click. Now we can select something else, let's say green, okay, and clicking on OK. Now we have selected a conditional formatting for less than 50, and if you can see, the numbers which are less than 50 are highlighted. So we can select according to our criteria what are our requirements. So if, let's suppose if I change this number 60 to something less than 50, let's say 30, and removing the cell, it's automatically highlighted because we have selected the criteria of less than 50 range, less than 50 numbers, and it will get selected automatically. Again, if you want to clear the formatting, we will select all these cells, going to conditional formatting, clear rules, and clear rules from selected cells. Here you can see that all of the formatting is clear now. Similarly, there are many options. If we see in conditional formatting, apart from greater than or less than, if we see in conditional formatting, there are other rules as well, that is between. We can select a range like from 10 to 50 or 10 to 30. It depends on your criteria simply. Equal to option, text that contains, and other options as well. We can also use duplicate values. For example, if we select on duplicate values, okay, and we can change the option as well, that is duplicate, which are common numbers, and unique, which are not common simply. So we will select duplicate and select the same values with option OK. So you can see the number which are duplicate has been highlighted. For example, if there is a 10 number, let's make this 10 also. And we can see that this 10 number which are duplicate is also highlighted. So another method would be selecting it, conditional formatting, clear rules. Now we'll go to conditional formatting again and go to duplicate values again. Now we will select the unique one which are not common. Okay, now you can see which are unique values, they are got highlighted. Similarly, with like numbers, we can also make unique and duplicate the text also. Let's suppose I've highlighted this, going to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and duplicate values, where we can select duplicate, and if you want to change the color, let's make it yellow. Okay, now you can see the days which are being duplicated are highlighted. So this way you can make it unique or you can make it duplicate. Now coming towards date option, let's select the range of all the dates we have set in here. Going to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and a date occurring. Select it, a dialog box will appear, and here you can select any type or any date occurring depending on the date you have set. So we will select last week and OK. So the date which occurred last week or the upcoming week, it depends on the date corresponding to the current date which is going on. So let's suppose if I make this 12, you can see this cell also highlighted because I have chosen the last week option. Let's suppose if you make it 11 or let's say 13, you can highlight it as well. So these are the things which are used in conditional formatting. If you want to clear it all, you can select all of this, go to conditional formatting, clear rules and clear selected cells. All of your formatting is clear now. Coming towards our last topic, conditional formatting, top-bottom rules. We will select top-bottom rules and top 10. As you can see, we have selected a range. We can select the top 3, top 5 numbers. So let's say we are selecting top 5 numbers and press OK. You can see the top 5 numbers have been selected. Like if I make it 60, it is still the top 5 numbers. If I make it 10, you can see the number is shifted to the another highest number as I have made it 10. So for this part 1, we have selected all the 3 topics of conditional formatting, that is highlight cells, top bottom rules and clear rules. This was the part 1. For further videos, we would be exploring another conditional formatting features. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so you can receive and stay updated other videos and lectures. Till then, keep practicing.